Why do cats chatter at birds? Have you ever seen a cat staring at a bird and making a strange clicking sound? This behavior is called chattering, and it happens when a cat is excited or triggered by hunting instincts. So why do they do this? One theory is that it's a hunting reflex. In the wild, big cats sometimes move their jaws quickly before attacking prey. Some experts believe house cats may be mimicking this movement as they prepare to pounce. Another explanation is frustration. When a cat sees a bird but can't reach it, the excitement builds up, and chattering may be their way of expressing it. Some researchers even suggest that cats might be trying to imitate bird sounds to trick their prey into coming closer. In the end, chattering is a fascinating mix of instinct and excitement. So the next time your cat chatters at a bird, just remember, they're a fierce hunter at heart.